Hi friends, welcome to Communication Skill Enhancement Practice. Communication skill can be improved by daily practice. So what we are doing, we are daily making video to practice so that when we are required, we are able to express ourselves. We are able to influence people. If we are facing some interview, then we can able to express ourselves, our knowledge, our best practice, our strength, our interest area. Normally people can do well, but the time when they have to express, they are struggle because they do not have it, they do not have the right practice to express themselves. They normally speak with friends and family with a very casual manner, where they do not share their experience and expertise. But when we have to face an investor, clients, interviewer, or any certain people, public, whom we have to express our expertise, we have to express our strength, we hesitate, we get nervous because we do not have practice to express that. Also, we do not have that people in front of us to express that. So what should we do? We should make video because you do not have any other options. If you have other options to speak with many people, then you can practice that. That will also work wonderfully. But if you do not have people are busy, they don't have time to listen you, then we have to speak something. Then where should I speak? We should speak in front of camera, and we should be confident in speaking in front of camera. Then we can speak in front of other people also. And communication means there are lots of confusion that communication is only speaking. Communication is not only speaking. Communication is the way our body language is. Very. I have listened very much. I have listened so much expert people that say that 55% of people is 55% which influence is the body language, the way we look. So we should be well dressed. We should be our best version of ourselves. Yes, friends, we can be our best person. We can be our lowest version. So we should be our best version when we are facing an interview, when we are facing some other clients. We should be our best version. We should be look confident and look serious. But at the same time, you should have a smile in your face. So this all combination will work wonder. So this all needs practice. That all need daily practice. So due to some issue, I am not making videos longer. I am making videos shorter. But if you want to practice longer, you can make longer video like 10 to 20 minutes of practice speaking. But try to focus on writing also. Reading, writing will help you improve your communication skills. So when we are purposefully writing a long sentence, our communication will improve. So write purposefully go to 4 to 5 sentences when you are posting something in Facebook or WhatsApp or LinkedIn or anything, any social media. Write longer words and people will get influenced with you. You can give video and always try to write. You can write your experience daily. You can write your goal daily. You can write some thoughts which are coming to your mind daily. So writing practice will help you to grow faster when you are trying to improve your communication skills. So practice speaking as well as look at your body language. The way we are looking is very important also. At the same time, the way we can write, the way we can express our thoughts in the form of words will help us to improve our communication skills, because it will increase our thought process. It is all about mind. Mind is 80% and body is 20%. So mind is more important than the way we behave. So we should work on our mind. To work on our mind, we should practice daily speaking as well as we should also do long writing. That will also help.